Before I take you to my machine, first I want to explain what is ARP poisoning, or also commonly known as ARP spoofing. Once I give the definition, I'll let you know what tool I'm going to use for the demonstration. So ARP poisoning or ARP spoofing is a type of cyber attack where the attacker will send falsified address resolution protocol messages over a LAN. Goal is to link the attacker's MAC address to the IP address of a legitimate device. This is done in order to get all the traffic that was meant for that server or the router to be redirected to the attacker's system, such as router or servers. This allows the attacker to intercept, modify, and delete the network traffic. To understand it more clearly, I'm adding a diagram over here for your understanding how this actually works. For this particular kind of cyber attack, ARP poisoning, we have multiple tools available in market, such as BetterCap, EtherCap, ARP Spoof, XARP, etc. After this, I'm going to use BetterCap for this demonstration. The reason for choosing BetterCap is it is a powerful, modern, and extensible tool for network attacks and monitoring. Some of the key features are it has ARP spoofing and network analysis both. SSL stripping is also possible by using this tool. DNS spoofing and HTTPS and HTTP interception both are possible. Modular framework is also there. This tool is widely used because of its easy to use nature. So now enough of the talking. Let's get right into the business on my Kali Linux machine. So now next thing that you're seeing is my Kali Linux window. And over here, the first thing that we'll be typing is the tool name BitterCap. And as you see, I have BitterCap version this, and it is built on Linux. So the platform that runs, the BitterCap runs on is Linux. And we are inside the interface. So this is the IP address of my Kali Linux. So we are within it. Next, if we are going to use any new tool, the first command we should use is help. So over here, we see there are a lot of details that we are getting, but the thing that we are most interested is these modules. So over here, you can see by default, all these modules are not running, but only the events.stream is running. So this module is nothing but it is a central monitoring and logging module where all kind of whatever we are doing, everything is getting logged for later references, notifications, or for further detailed analysis. So that is the use. In this demonstration, what we will be more looking into is the net.probe module and the net.reckon module. So let us check these two modules and the module name. So net.probe in our case. Net.probe on. So again, I'll be typing help just to see the modules. And right now what you're seeing is net.probe, which is running. And also I have not given any command for net.reckon, but by default, this will start running as soon as the probe is running. So this reckon will actually give us all the details in a beautiful table manner. So now whatever devices is connected in this network with me will be shown over here. So let us see net.show. Okay. The last one, 192.168.1.11. This one is my Windows 11 IP address. So this is our target machine, and we are going to do the ARP poisoning for this particular machine. Okay, so let's get going. Next module that we are interested in is ARP.spoof. So again, if we are using a new module, we'll check with help command ARP.spoof. Over here, keep spoofing selected host on the network. So right now we have to select one of the hosts. Let's do it. Set ARP.spoof.fullduplex true. ARP.spoof.targets, and we'll be giving the target IP address 192.168.1.11 in this case, and then again an enter. So now the commands got executed perfectly, and now we need to on this module. So for that, we'll be doing arb.spoof, the name of the module, space on, and hit enter. So we can see that it is probing one target, full duplex enabled. So let us see the help. And over here, we can see arp.spoof is also run. We type ifconfig. Over here, you can see this 08002750F148. So this one is my MAC address for my Kali Linux machine. And now if we go to Windows and do a CMD, so over here, if I come and type arp-a, this is my target machine. And over here, if you can see, this 192.168.1.2 is my Kali Linux, and you can check the MAC address as well. Whereas 192.168.1.1 is the IP address of my router and check the MAC address. This is exactly same as that of my Kali Linux. So this is the update that has been done. So what next? We have established ourselves in the middle of the victim and the router. What next? So now we need to capture what URLs this person is visiting, the username and passwords, and etc. We can do this by using Wireshark and many other tools, of course. But in this demonstration, I'll be using the same BitterCap's one of the modules named as net.sniff. For this demonstration, I'll be doing this analysis and catching up of the packets using net.sniff, which is a part of modules of BitterCap. Again, I'm going to use a new module. So we'll start with help net.sniff. Right now it's not running. It will sniff packets from the network. These are the different states it has, and these are the different parameters. So once I do net.sniff all, we'll start receiving the packets over here in a while. Meanwhile, let us go to one of the website on my Windows 11, that is my target machine, and let's see if those packets are getting captured here. So go to some HTTP website. So we'll be going to vulnerableweb.com, and let me just randomly open one. So over here we see all these things: your cart, your profile. There is a sign up as well. So let me just give test and the password as well as test. So let's log in. Yeah, I'm able to log in using this password. So now let us go to Kali and check over here. So the first thing that we should notice is I went to this oneweb.com. So we can see over here. We can also see what all pages this was loading while I was using it, like text, HTML, login.php, and those kind of details. Also, what was the username, what was the password, test in this case. So these things we can capture and we can see. So that was all for today's demonstration. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much.